So when people walk into the house behind me here, they often say the same thing. I cannot believe this is a transportable home. So hang tight for the next few minutes and you'll see why. Hi, I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes and I'm so excited to take you through our Barn 154 show home. It's based on our latest model, the Elevate 154, spacious, beautifully appointed and packed with thoughtful design details throughout. At 154 square metres, this home is cleverly designed to maximise every inch. It offers 3 large bedrooms, 2 luxurious bathrooms, 2 living areas, an office nook, a contemporary galley kitchen, and a concealed walk-through scullery and laundry. So absolutely everything you need in a contemporary, full-time, forever home. So come on in and let's take a look. So as you step inside, you're greeted with this spacious open plan layout that feels instantly inviting. This main living area has been designed to make the most of the natural light and indoor-outdoor flow with doors on each side of the home. These overall stacker doors here open all the way across the front of the building to extend the space outwards and really to bring the outdoors in. The high ceiling in here is an optional extra for our barn or tilt model homes, and it really does help create a sense that the house is far larger than its footprint. We'll head over to this wall here, which is our beautiful, stunning sort of inbuilt entertainment wall. So down this end, we have our standard floor to ceiling storage cupboards in here. This spot here, though, is often used for a alcove for a wood burner or an open bar or even a concealed bar. So quite a good versatile space there. Moving along, we would normally have 4 cupboards above here and then a large floor to ceiling bookcase beside that. But in this instance, we've obviously gone for these beautiful open shelves and then a feature fluted backing behind. We've also got spotlights that we've added here just to sort of show off your knickknacks. And then the rest of the wall is made up of another 6 units of storage and another big one at the end here. So it's a really beautiful and elegant feature of our Elevate homes and a very practical one too. So the highlight of this home is undoubtedly this gorgeous kitchen, which has been designed with everyday cooking and entertaining in mind. Right, first off, behind the island bench here, we've got the fluted backing that we saw on the entertainment wall, just to tie everything in there. And underneath, we've got this LED strip lighting, which is actually touch operated as well, just to add a bit of drama. Right, coming down the end of the bench here, we've got a custom-made dining table with a designer maker light above. So that's a beautiful little spot for entertaining as well. Right, so coming around the back of the bench here, we have the bench top itself is actually a heat and scratch resistant Decton bench top. Really beautiful feeling as well. And it has been made slightly longer to accommodate the all-important wine rack and the beverage fridge beside that. Everything else follows our standard layout. The only little added extra is this tea towel cupboard. Everything else is standard or comes standard. On the opposite side of the kitchen, the cabinetry layout on this wall is the same as our 154 plan. So what you see is what you get. Down the end here, the only additions are the microwave above the oven, and then down the very end here, the fridge is also a wee extra. So a big focus of our homes is the smart use of space. And a great example of that is this very cleverly concealed scullery laundry, which is tucked away behind the kitchen here just to keep everything out of sight and tidy. The layout in here is slightly different in that we have an office alcove behind this wall here, so it's been made a little bit smaller. But as you can see, there's still plenty of storage and shelving down the scullery end here. Moving along, we also have a floor-to-ceiling linen cupboard here, another cupboard above, and then a space for a washer-dryer, stacked washer-dryer. And then we've got the lovely little laundry alcove here as well. We've got the laundry door there, and then as we come on out here through the laundry door, we will close that and keep the illusion of a seamless, nothing to see here kitchen cabinetry. Okay, so I'm at the other end of the kitchen now, and behind me here we have another little hidden gem, our office nook. So this is a variation to our standard plan, but it has become a very popular addition for a lot of our clients. Just gives you a lovely quiet space to work from home. Coming to the end of the home now and into our master bedroom suite. It's looking lovely, this colour. Just to give you some context, this is a queen size bed, but because the room is over 4 metres long and it's lovely and wide, a super king bed also fits comfortably in this space, just to give you an idea. Right across the other side of the room, we've got a lovely two-sided, very large walk-in wardrobe here, which is very handy with the mirror at the back. And then around the corner here into the spacious ensuite. So even though this is our show home, we've just used our standard bathroom wear, which is all New Zealand and European made. So we have this beautiful sleek double vanity with the Italian mixers. Then around the back of the privacy wall, we've got a soft close toilet with the louver window there, very handy for ventilation. And then at the back here, we've got a 1.4 metre wide long shower, 1 metre wide, with the low profile shower tray. So all beautiful quality that really adds to a feeling of luxury. So this home has been designed with privacy in mind. Down one end, what we've just seen was the master bedroom suite, and then behind me here, down the opposite end of the home, we have another two bedrooms. We have the second living area and the main bathroom. So follow me. Right, so this is one of my favorite rooms in the home, and it's always a hit with clients as well. It's such a versatile space. You can use it as a media room, kids play area, or just a really nice relaxing place to unwind. So off this room, we have the main bathroom, if you want to follow me in here. So this features all the same premium bathroom wear that you saw in the ensuite. The only addition, of course, is this freestanding back to wall bath, which is always a popular addition for people with families or people who just like a good relaxing soak. So coming out of here, we'll come into bedroom 2. Right, so this is a nice, really generous size room as well. Again, that's a queen bed, just for context. We have that lovely large sliding window on the outside wall, and then on the inside wall here, we have a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe which spans the whole wall. So a lot of good storage space in there. Okay, so we'll head out of here now, back into the second living area, media room, kids playroom, into the third and final room of the house, the third bedroom. As you can see, we've set this up as a meeting room at the moment, but it is actually just an exact replica of bedroom 2. So here we are back in the main living room. If you've been eyeing up the stunning furniture throughout the home, that is all thanks to the lovely people at Hoose in Cambridge. So definitely worth checking them out. But that wraps up the tour for today. I hope you've enjoyed it all. But there's nothing quite like experiencing these homes in person. So book a visit. We'd love to show you around. In the meantime, though, thanks for watching and bye for now.